What's up, all you lock pickers? Tennessee Lock Picking back with you here. Got a package from our dear friend Thumper. Let's get into it and see what we got. Well, if I can find the there we go. If I can find the edge. Set of keys. Take a look in there, make sure there ain't no personal information or nothing visible. I don't want to give away anybody's personal information. Alright. Let's see, the first thing we got is, it looks like a challenge lock. Awesome. Cameron Dunn, number 18. Very cool. Very cool. Spartan. Alright. That's got all kinds of good stuff in it, I bet. I've heard he makes pretty tricky challenge locks. So we will have to see. So next we got a pinned 11/24/18. So it was pinned last year. Alright. Jason Carlson, number 42. Alright. That's awesome. Mortar cylinder. It's like quick set. Nice. Nice, nice. Alright, that's that tricky Medico that oh man. I know I'm gonna have trouble with this thing. Probably gonna have trouble with all three of these. I wonder what this went to. That's really cool. Very cool lock. It only rotates one way. Pulls that little locking paw in there. It's almost like a vending machine lock or something, but very, very cool. Thank you very much, Thumper. Put that back in there. Another kick cylinder. So we've got a SC1 cylinder. Nice. Half baked. Captain Jim 318. Awesome. Awesome. I don't know. I'm not subbed to him. I'll definitely have to go over and check his channel out. If he has a channel. I don't know. Maybe some of you guys below can tell me if he's got a channel or not. I'll look it up when I'm done. Check it out. That's awesome. Oh man. Monster. Monster. Hong Kong 64mm. Awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and lock that bad boy up. Wonder if that's what that's for. Yep. Awesome. That's a hoss right there. Thank you very much, Thumper. Very, very much. That's awesome. This is going to keep me busy for a while. I've still got these from Boy Bilbo 81, and I did pick one earlier today. Well, I didn't pick it. I ended up having to shim it. It had a anti-drill pin in the front of it, and it must have been used. This side of the cylinder must have been used on the outside, because that thing was rusted up and stuck in the core and would not move along with the second pin. So I shimmed it, took it apart, cleaned it up, and now I'm going to put it back together and give it a go. But man, Thumper, thank you a lot, buddy. That's really, really cool. Really, really cool of you. Hopefully I can find some more locks on eBay or wherever, and find some stuff to make some challenge locks out of, so I can start sending them out to you guys. I've got to send some out to a few people right now, as it is. I'm wanting to anyway. They're got 3 people on my list anyway, is to send some out to. So definitely, I definitely will have to do that. But anyway, that's the end of this video. Next time you see me, I'll be picking some of these. So don't do anything crazy or illegal. And all that good stuff. Hope everybody has a wonderful night or day, either one. And we'll catch you next time. One more thing before you guys go. I was going to obviously give Thumper another big shout out, which I'm sure everybody that's subbed to my channel is subbed to his channel. But just in case you're not, definitely go over and check his channel out. I would link it, but I don't know how to do that. I do good just to edit videos and upload them. I do plan on learning and trying to figure out how to do that. I video everything and edit everything from my Galaxy S5 phone that I use just for my my videos. I use this cheap HTC for talking on, texting on, all that good stuff, watching YouTube videos and all that good stuff. So this is my dedicated YouTube camera, I guess you could say. But I need to clean it up, obviously, but this is my first homemade pick. So yeah, I need to clean it up there quite a bit, but yeah, hopefully I can do some more of these. I got enough material to maybe make 5 more, or maybe a little bit more than that. I don't know. Pretty hefty pick though. It's like 30 thousandths, somewhere around in there. This one I just slapped some zip tie handles on it. So yeah, I've still got to go and clean the glue back up around it and all that good stuff. But I've got an idea for, and I started to do it on this one, but I've got an idea to make, I've got a bunch of acrylic, sheets of acrylic, and different thicknesses and all that good stuff. And I've got some, well, I did have it sitting here, but I moved it, but I got some acrylic glue or whatever that, as long as you do it right and don't overdo it, it's clear. I actually used a little bit of it on this just to see how it would hold, but the majority of it is actually super glue. But yeah, anyway, thought about making some handles out of acrylic or plexiglass, whatever you want to call it. And anyway, that's all I got. But anyway, big shout out to you, Thumper. I really appreciate you sending me the package. Means a lot to me, and just makes my day when you guys send me more locks and stuff to pick. So yeah, later on, guys.